I'd like to welcome you back to the second class of the Foundation in Drawing and Design. Let me briefly review what was expected of you as a reminder. This is a two-dimensional elevation of a Perrier bottle that's no longer being made, but it gives you some idea of how our purpose is to use a hierarchy of line weights. The lightest lines would be for all the construction and the point-to-point relationships, the coincidences. The slightly darker line would concern itself with two-dimensional figures like circles and triangles and rectangles. And we will look at the tops of these bottles and see how differently they're constructed, and all of the triangulation that's needed to relate this side with the other side, this side with this side, has to be inscribed very clearly. This is going to play a very important part in everything you do in drawing. So it's not busy work for the sake of busy work at all, but an attempt on my part to get you to start to see and think like a designer draftsman. So this is a full-fledged analysis and breakdown, and there are a multiplicity of triangles here, all of which have their common points and side points. It's this that you were to do, and then I wanted you to set it up in a field with a baseline, with a cumulative or group notional space, and the space between it and the borders, and I wanted all of the construction there as well. So we have the notional space of each bottle, all of the construction lines, the two-dimensional figures, and all of the elements that relate them. I'm sure you all did a wonderful job on this. Now we'll look at what you did for homework. This is